pulling a little rabbit out of the hat here and doing what James Anthony did last week and going to join me on commentary.
Yeah, I'm going to play James's mind games the same way he is. So that's why I'm out here scouting the competition, so to speak.
Well, there's no better way to scout the competition than to be here live every week with us here. And, of course, go on YouTube, subscribe to our page, rickymorton.com. And we've got so much going right now. And you've got so much going right now. You have got a huge match at Overdrive against this man.
It's been a long time coming. James Anthony's done everything he can to avoid this match. But August 27th, he's going to face the music.
Well,
I'm interested to see what he's going to bring to the table tonight.
James Anthony, of course, out here with Prince Isaiah and Maya Ferrari. So Maya Ferrari has been a big thorn in your side.
Involved, which led to James Anthony hitting me with that championship, leaving me laying in that ring, which he could have never done, let's face it, if it wasn't for Maya.
So,
don't worry, James. I don't operate the way you do. I'm going to sit right here and observe the match.
Oh, buddy.
Now, here comes some real competition for James Anthony.
We gotta love Mr. Excellent.
The one and only.
I love this man.
Take him out, Mr.
The
Excellent.
doctor is in the house.
This is a man right here who's seen all the tricks. He knows all the mind games. James Anthony's going to have a tough time pulling one over his eyes.
He's such a good mentor to the people in the locker room, too. I mean, he's been around this business for so long. He has so many accolades under his belt anyways, not just mentioning wrestling.
Contest is scheduled for one fall. And it's for
Just
the
an amazing guy.
Heavyweight
Tonight he's got what it takes to take that
Championship.
belt away from James. I wouldn't mind facing
Introducing
Mr. Excellence
first
at
to
Overdrive,
my
just saying.
left, the challenger, Mr. Excellent. His opponent, he is the SOM Heavyweight Champion, accompanied to the ring by Maya Ferrari. And Prince Isaiah, he is James Anthony.
Real tough guy.
Well, I think that you guys are probably giving me one of the best matches of the night. Come Overdrive.
No pressure. That is if James brings his yay game, because knowing him, he's going to try something slick. Anything other than wrestling.
Well, you know that the numbers game is always going to play a part.
Absolutely. You got to watch Maya. She'll grab a foot. She'll do anything you give her the opportunity.
Well, she has definitely proven herself useful coming over to James Anthony from the Pitbulls. And you can almost, well, you can say that, you know, she's the reason that he's still champion right now.
Absolutely. James would have lost that title several times over if it wasn't for Ferrari. And, you know, I wonder where he gets off putting those around him in danger. I mean, obviously he cares about no one other than himself. He's willing to throw his son in harm's way. He's willing to throw my Ferrari in harm's way. Anything it takes to remain champion. That's the type of man James Anthony is.
And what kind of champion would you be?
A fighting champion. One that's going to stand up, represent this school as a champion. Someone
Absolutely.
that's willing to carry the brand. show up week after week.
This business takes so much dedication.
Absolutely.
And it takes so much out of you young guys. Like, I can't even imagine with the travel and, you know, multiple matches and, you know, just going from place to place to place to do what you do.
Yeah, those are having great effect.
The doctor says, oh no, buddy. Oh, James Anthony trying to take down Mr. Excellent and just bounces off of it.
So much for that one.
Mr. Excellent.
Try to go high here.
Oh, that was bad news. Oh my God. What a power slam by Mr. Excellent.
That was beautiful. Man, I could watch this all day.
Oh.
Big right
My
hand.
God. James Anthony is in a lot of trouble here.
There it is. And there it is.
Yep.
First underhanded tactic of the match. I'm sure you'll see more of those.
Oh. Well, we've seen a lot of underhanded tactics already. Of course, I guess you heard my interview with the Golden Boy
Yes.
back there earlier.
Quite the character indeed.
I mean, just being a fan, I'm one that I would love to see just a clean win.
Exactly, and that's what I don't understand about Anthony. He's a capable person in the ring, but he refuses to use his talent.
And it's the same way with people like James Anthony.
Absolutely.
I mean, win or lose, if you win it yourself, it means more. And it, of course, it's going to mean more to the fans as well.
That's something you should take pride in.
But it's all about having that title.
That is true. At the end of the day, the record books, they won't list how you won it. They'll only list who won the match. And from that perspective, I can see where James is coming from. But again, it's all about what type of champion do you want to be. Oh my goodness.
Double underhook suplex.
Almost a modified butterfly suplex there. That was beautiful.
Fans trying to will Dr. Excellent back into this.
There it is.
Oh! Takes James Anthony's head
I
off.
can tell you right now, James better find a way to stop this momentum or it's going to end quick.
Oh my God! Dr. Excellent, welcome to school.
I got to give it to James. He's tough. It does take a lot to beat him.
Oh my God. I haven't seen too many people
Good drop kick.
really do this to James Anthony here
That might
lately.
be it. Oh, so
James
close.
Anthony in a lot of trouble here. And of course, Nathan Cross loving it.
Every second.
Loving every second
Great.
of it. Going for that fisherman suplex, James
Is that
Anthony.
the eyes?
Right to the eyes, and there's the kick. But doesn't capitalize on it.
Don't look at me. Focus
He's
on your
looking
back.
at you. And it's over with. Ring the bell.
And just like that,
SOM
another
champion,
cheat, another victory.
James Anthony.
That's okay. You get your chance here soon.
August 27th at Overdrive, it all comes to a head live. You're going to see me beat James Anthony for that championship. Look, what is he doing?
Oh, Nathan Cross out there to help Mr. Excellent. absolute show of respect by Nathan Cross. Folks, we'll be right back.